Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 10th standard mathematics chapter number 2 continuation of exercise 2.6 now problem number 9. A man repays a loan of rupees 65,000 by paying rupees 400 in the first month and then increasing the payment by rupees 300 every month. How long will it take for him to clear the loan amount? See that problem number 9, loan amount to be paid 65,000 rupees. First month installment 400 rupees. For each and every month it increases by 300 rupees, that is given in the question. Previous month 400 increases by 300 means plus 300. 400 plus 300 equals 700. That is the installment for the second month. Third month once again it increases by 300. Each and every month increases by 300 rupees. So 700 plus 300, 1000 rupees. So first month installment 400 rupees, second month installment 700 rupees, third month installment 1000 rupees. Each and every time it increases by 300. Correct? 400 plus 300, 700. 700 plus 300, 1000. It goes on. The question is, find the time taken to clear the loan amount of 65,000 rupees. That's the total amount, 65,000. Okay. Here it forms an AP obviously, because 700 minus 400, that is equal to 300. 1000 minus 700 also 300. Difference between second and first, third and second, same. So definitely it is an AP. Here I write it forms an AP. Here A is the first term, that means the first installment amount 400 rupees. A, that is equal to 400. D, that is equal to common difference, you know the formula, second term minus first term. Second month installment minus first month installment, that is 700 minus 400. 700 minus 400, that is equal to 300. Now total amount is given, that is 65,000 rupees. Sn equals, and Sn, that is equal to 65,000. We know the formula for Sn. Sn formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 65,000. So from this equation you have to find out the value of n. How to find? N by 2 write as it is, because we don't know the value of n. 2 into a value, like here it is 400, plus n minus 1 write as it is into d, that is equal to 300, that is equal to 65,000. So n by 2 into 2 into 400, that is equal to 800, plus 300 into n is 300 n. I have to multiply these two. After that you have to multiply these two. Minus 300 into 1, that is equal to 300. That is equal to 65,000. So n by 2 into, first write 300 n. These two are like terms. Can subtract. 800 minus 300, that is equal to 500. That is equal to 65,000. Okay. Now I retain n alone in the left hand side. I cross multiply 2 and 65,000. Right? N into, which implies n into 300 n plus 500. Once again, n into 300 n plus 500. If we multiply 65,000 into 2, 65,000 into 2, which implies, you multiply 300 n into n, that is equal to 300 n square, plus Multiply these two, 500 into n, that is equal to 500 n equals 65,000 into 2, that is equal to 1,30,000. Okay. Now, which implies 300 n squared plus 500 n, this is n. It comes left hand side minus 1,30,000, that is equal to 0. Nothing in right hand side. Here each and every number 300, 500 and 1,30,000 can be divided by 100. If we divide by 100, 300 by 100, that is equal to 3n square. 500 by 100, that is equal to 5, so 5n. 1,30,000 by 100, 0000 get cancelled, we will be getting 1,300, that is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation, we have to solve this equation. For that, consider the coefficient of n square, 3 here. 3 should be multiplied with minus 1,300, we will be getting 3,900, minus 3,900, correct? Then coefficient of n, that is equal to 5. You have to find out the two numbers. Product of the two numbers equals minus 3,900. Sum of the same two numbers equals 5. For finding the numbers, you can go for the prime factorization. Take 3,900. Keep on divide by the prime number. I take 5. 5 sevens are 35. Balance 4. 40. 5 eights are 40. Then 0. Again 5 table. 5 ones are 5. Balance 2. 28. 5 fives are 25. Balance 3. 30. 5 six are 30. Here we can divide by 2 table. 7, 8. Again divide by 2 table. 39. Can divide by 3 table. 1, 3. That's all. We can divide by 13. 13 is a prime number. So 1 time. So in which combination you can get 5? You have to find out. I got the combination here. 5 and 13, that is 65. 5 twos are 10 twos are 20 into 3, 60. 65 and 60 are the two numbers. I write here 65 and 60. For getting 5, definitely have to introduce minus for the smaller number. Now we can verify 65 minus 60, that is equal to 5. If we multiply these two numbers, plus into minus, 65 into 60, that is equal to 3,900. After that, since it is a quadratic equation, you can find the values of n directly. How to find the values of n directly? Here consider the coefficient of n square. What is here? 3. Change the sign. Plus 3 becomes minus 3. Write minus 3 in the denominator. Okay. Then simplify. Here it cannot be simplified. Plus by minus, 65 by 3. Then here minus get cancelled. 60 by 3, that is equal to 20. 20 times. That is equal to 20. Here n means number of terms. It cannot be negative. This is not possible. Therefore, 20 installments are needed to clear the loan amount of 65,000 rupees. Finally, I have tried the result. Therefore, 20 installments are needed to clear the loan amount of rupees 65,000. That's all. So problem number 9 is completed. Then I'll be teaching problem number 10 in the next video. Thank you, children.